Today we're diving into the buzz around the brand new On4K Plus streamer with Google TV, a device that's generating plenty of excitement despite its unofficial release status. As you may have heard, the On4K Plus hasn't officially hit the shelves yet, but leaked details have given us an exciting glimpse at what's to come. In today's video, we'll break down the rumored specs, compare it with its predecessor, and discuss what these features could mean for your streaming experience. Let's take a closer look at the key specifications we've heard about. 4K Ultra HD output. Expect stunning picture quality with support for 4K resolution. Perfect for modern TVs, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. The device is rumored to support these advanced audio and video standards, enhancing both visuals and sound. Hardware details. Leaks suggest the On4K Plus will come equipped with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, alongside a USB-C port for power. Now, if you're familiar with the On4K Pro, you know it offers excellent 4K streaming capabilities and runs on Android TV 12. The On4K Plus appears to build on that legacy, potentially offering even more refined performance and features. While the 4K Pro has been praised for its ease of setup and performance, the Plus version is expected to push the envelope even further with updated hardware and software enhancements. Since the On4K Plus is still in the pre-release phase, video footage is scarce. However, we'll be keeping a close eye on any new leaks or official announcements, and you can be sure that we'll update you as soon as we see the first official footage. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of the On4K Plus? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know if you're planning to upgrade once it officially launches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech reviews and leaks. See you in the next video.